What is going on, guys? Welcome to Poe Boys. This is Poe, and today we're finally bringing back Crack Rock. So now that I got it, I'm gonna go pick it up. Let's see what condition this thing's in. That's freaking insane. They destroyed this thing. This bike was in such good condition when I had it before. I don't even know what to say. I'm at a loss for words. Pretty much lost all hope for it. I want to come up with a name for it, but I don't know what yet. That is the open airbox. So there's mud and grime all up inside the intake. The sprocket down here is obviously destroyed. Shane has tons of play in it. Oh, it broke the frame. Okay, so Crack Rock the bike, as you just saw in that last little deal right there, is the stolen dirt bike that got stolen almost a year ago to like a week ago. Like a week ago, a year ago. So a year and a week ago, it was stolen. Crack Rock finally got back. So I finally got the bike back. If you didn't see the video, go click and watch it up here. It'll be right there, or there, or there, or there, or there. It'll be there. But I got some parts and I'm rebuilding that bike. We're bringing it back to life. And this is gonna be the video where we do it. This is a dedicated Crack Rock video for all of you people that have been asking. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so all I gotta do is hit my backpack. There we go. My dashboard is in the way. Okay, so don't mind that Corbo seat box. That has nothing to do with this video. That's gonna be in a future video. Golly, I wish this thing wasn't so freaking huge. I need to just go ahead and cut it soon, like soon. Ugh, balls, this thing's heavy. All right, so here's my car. Obviously the interior is completely out of it. Still looking fly as a bird. That right there looks great. This right here looks bad. Gonna be fixing that soon, obviously. Let me get everything out of the way and let's move this bike on. Wah, 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 give me what I want. This is gonna be a pain in the booty. Might be easier just to do this and go this way with it. Oh yes. Oh yes. Woo! It's kind of hard to do this because my pants are like goofed. Come on, bike. I really wish I had pants. There we go. Crack Rock is in my truck. This bike's a mess. Not for long though. We're gonna fix this. Let's go to the parts store, get some stuff for RTV for the case and a drain pan since I'm gonna be doing this in my room. I'll be honest with you, I never would have thought I would have had a house and I would be bringing this bike in it. All right. There we go. So Crack Rock is now in my room. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab this right here, which is the air box. Got the tag on it still. I just bought this used off of eBay for actually pretty cheap. So I'm gonna put this air box in the bike. This is so weird. I'm like working in my room and I'm not used to this at all. Oh, try not to knock the TV off of the TV holder. All right, so the air filter box is on the bike. Sweet. Simple as that. I gotta install this subframe right here with this airbox in it somehow. Thinking something along the lines of this. There we go. Dang, I'm already looking closer to a real bike. So what I did was I ordered a whole bolt and nut kit. These bolts right here will be what I need to install the subframe. So let's see what size these are. They look like 10s. All right. All right, so subframe is on. Now I gotta get a bolt that's long enough for that, which should be super easy. All I gotta do is go to the store and grab one. Next step is, I guess I can do the exhaust right now. And that bolts in just like that. All right, sweet, sweet, sweet. What is next up on this dude? I gotta do the clutch, the chain, sprocket, which I'm not gonna do the clutch just yet. I'm gonna wait until I get it all mounted a little bit better. But until then, I'm gonna put some plastics on because definitely need to do that. Plastics are very important. All right, so here's the new front fender. Dang, that looks so freaking good. Golly. This is so much better working inside of my room than it is working outside. I wish I could take my car in here. All right, all right. So this bike has literally been like the biggest problem of all time, but y'all love it, so I'm rebuilding it. And I'm taking it to the track as soon as we get it fixed up. Used to be able to do great, actually. It was a solid bike, but I don't know what problems are upon it right now, so we're just gonna have to find out. So front fender's on, which the front fender is always the easiest. Now I'm gonna do the rear fender. Actually, I'll do the nameplate. Nameplate's always easy. Something isn't right here. I don't know what it is. All right, so that should look something like so. All right, so that's good news. The nameplate's on, the front. Oh, so it's already coming together. It's actually turning into a good bike. Ironically, it was just a plastics kit. Obviously, I had to do a lot of work to it on the inside, like change timing and all that small stuff, but it's really not that bad of a job. Bet you these 8s are where it's at. There's one. I just dropped a freaking bolt in the exhaust. Are you kidding me? Alright, this is going to be a pain. Yay, I always like it when things are a pain. I'm just trying to find the right bolt for the job. That's really what I'm doing right now. I feel like this one might just do the trick. Bet. Okay, so that guy's on, in theory. Now I need to do that one more time. So grab one of them fancy washers, wherever the heck they may be. Come on now, where are they? They seem to have disappeared. They really have seemed to just disappear. Ooh, sprocket bolts. That's nice. That's actually very nice. I needed those. All right, so this and this. That's in. So she's in all the way. Giggity giggity. Oh yeah. Side plates. Bam, like it was music. So a bolt here and then a bolt here whenever you put your seat on, but you got to put your seat on first. So I'm gonna use a washer and an 8. All right, it's actually starting to look somewhat like a bike. So next thing would be gas tank, all that stuff. I'm gonna go empty out the gas tank and then get the rest of the plastics on. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, back more to room shenanigans. This is the old plastics for Crack Rock and the old gas tank. I didn't get a new gas tank, but I did get new plastics. And these bolts are stripped out badly. So I need to fix that badly. There we go, freaking bet. So much junk in there, holy crap. Pop this guy off. Oh, I can't even, there's a big washer on it. Oh, balls, that might suck. I'm gonna have to get this off somehow. I just don't know how yet. Here we go. Is this bolt locked on there too? Tell me it is. Oh, sweet, that one actually comes out. Bet. I guess I'm gonna get some needle nose pliers and see if I can get enough bite on that square tube right there. Not square tube, but that square piece. Oof. Come on now. Why are you being so tough on yourself? Piece of junk. That's hot as balls. Holy crap. I'm gonna be honest with you, how the hell could you even do this? I feel like this is a Suzuki problem that might just be problematic on Suzukis. They're not the best bikes in the world. The only reason I got this bike is because I traded a four-wheeler for it and I needed a bike because my buddies were going to the track and they wouldn't let four-wheelers on the track, so I just got this. Fixed it up, made it look really nice, made it ride really nice, and then got stolen. And then now we're where we are. Alright, I'm gonna keep trying to get this out. I'll get back when I get it. Golly, that was a freaking pain in the neck. I never want to do that again. So I got the gas tank on. The bolt break off in there? Yes, it did. The last bolt that was in there just broke off. Tootin' rootin' bit. All right, so that's on. Now I just need to get these guys on. All right, so now we're gonna take a 10 and put the rest of this plastic on. All right, plastic is on. Freaking awesome. All right, guys, so my living room is full of stuff and my room is full of Crack Rock. Not Crack Rocks, just Crack Rock. Basically, what I need to do next is install chain sprocket, counter sprocket, and then also need to break the case and install that new clutch, install the seat, and then once I do all that, that means it's time to tune. And once I start tuning the car, that means it's bike game on. Once I do that, I'll be able to get some tires and I'll take this bike to the track. So I can't wait for that. There's actually a local track really close to me, one that I haven't been to before. It's supposed to be sandy, but here's the turbos still. Those are definitely going on the car soon. For everyone asking what's happening to these things, they're still sitting in my closet just doing their turbo thing. So we're just gonna be chilling, figuring out stuff. Once Crack Rock's together, I'm gonna finish doing the interior of my car, finish painting it all, getting a seat in. I might happen to have this seat right here. So thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for the next one because there's gonna be a lot of cool stuff coming up soon. Y'all have a great one and remember to freaking send it.